Hello, I'm Pasi Luoto and I'm your host today. Welcome to this PONSSE studio event about Active Manual. Today we will learn all about it. We will hear some experts' comments about it, see the demo of it, and hear also the thoughts of the customers. The chat is open. Please leave your comments and questions there. This event is subtitled so you can select your own language. Welcome all. PONSSE invests in the development of the digital tools, both in terms machine productivity and machine maintenance. Active Manual is part of this. It will tell to customers proper way to maintain and operate the machine. And now, may I present our experts today. Veera Jutila.
Hi.
And Pinja Aho.
Hi.
These lovely ladies have been developing this service, and today they will tell us all about the Active Manual. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, why this Active Manual was made?
Well, the digitalization is the future now, and people want to learn and see machines in a new way. And people are so used to seeing video instructions in their daily lives, and PONSSE wants to keep evolving with its customers. Also, we've had some long-term feedback from our customers that video instructions is something that the customers want now.
Video instructions are more interesting than a basic text format manuals. Video makes some of the instructions easier to understand. Videos proceed in logical order, and the whole procedure is shown on a video from the beginning to the end. In other words, customer can prepare themselves for the maintenance job by watching a video of this procedure. They see on the video how the procedure is done safely with proper tools, and they get some sort of a time frame how long it's going to take. You can rewind video back and watch it again as many times as you like.
And also, people always have their phones with them. So one of the points of the Active Manual, it's always available when you are online.
Well, that's true. So, what Active Manual actually is?
Active Manual is digital owner's manual for today's needs. It includes easy to understand video instructions for YouTube generation. The app goes with you from the machine to your home. You can use it anywhere.
Active Manual is now also an official part of our original instructions. It's a great addition to use with the traditional owner's manual. We have added Active Manual symbol over there to our traditional owner's manual, so people can see when that symbol is used that we also have Active Manual content for the instructions. Active Manual includes huge amount of instructions already, and more is made all the time.
For example, instructional videos of operations, what the operator does often or on daily basis. Video library is constantly growing, and we also ask customer feedback what they would like to see in Active Manual. Production of videos began from topics that customers had wished the most. Sharpening of the limping knives, daily and weekly maintenance, and also other daily operations with the machine.
And next, we will see Active Manual demo. In which cases Active Manual performs better than traditional owner's manuals? I mean, How does it make forest machine operators' life easier?
Well, as we said before, video instructions are easier to understand, and we think that they show the correct and safe ways to work via example. And also, it's always with you. It's very easy to use when you can open it from your phone.
To whom Active Manual is made for?
For anyone who uses or owns a PONSSE forest machine.
And next, let's see the customer comments about the Active Manual.
Mä oon Kivelä Harri ja 20 vuotta ajanut metsäkonetta ja pelkästään Ponssen koneita tällä kertaa.
Eli minä olen Nenosen Jari ja mulla on yli 20 vuotta kokemusta metsäkonealalta ja näistä Ponssen koneista on semmoinen 5 vuotta kokemusta. Ja Active Manualin hyödyt on, että ne on selkokieliset ja ne kulkee aina taskussa mukana.
Helppokäyttöinen ja nopea. Se eroaa siinä mielessä hyvin normaalista käyttöohjeesta, että siellä on kerrottu videoina ja sitten myös niinä animaatioina on tuotu esille niitä kohteita ja ohjeita, mitä tarvitsee hakea.
Minä olen itse oppinut Active Manualista esimerkiksi turvallisempia työskentelytapoja huoltotoimenpiteisiin.
Aikaisemmin ajanut vaan erkoa ja nyt on skorppari tullut hakkuuseen, niin sieltä on nähnyt esimerkiksi mistä tankki nousee, konepellit nousee. Kun huoltopisteet ja kaikki muut vaihtuu, niin sieltä tulee hyvin esille kaikki sellaiset asiat. Jos se, että Active Manualia olisi, eikä sieltä pystyisi katsomaan sitä, että miten saadaan esimerkiksi polttoainetankki ylös tai koppi kipaattua Skorpionista, niin sitten olisi soitettava käyttökouluttajalle tai työkaverille ja sieltä kautta se ohje haettava. Ja semmoinen tilannehan voi tulla, että kello 4 aamulla joku hajoaa letku esimerkiksi kopin alta, niin se on ikävä ruveta työkaverille soittamaan tai käyttökouluttajalle 4 aikaa aamulla, että mitä teen. Sä voit katsoa sen Active Manualista silloin.
In which countries this app is available?
Active Manual is available in these countries.
For which machine models it is available?
Now, when we launch this app, the app includes instructions for Scorpion machine models, harvester heads, and information systems. In the future, we are going to add instructions for other machine models. New instructions are added as a part of normal updating of the contents. The app itself doesn't need to be updated by the customer. In terms of the content, we are investing into new products.
For which serial numbers the app works?
Scorpion models are included from the first serial number forward.
What does this cost for the customer?
Nothing. This is completely free for the customer.
In which platforms and devices this works?
The platforms are Android and iOS, and the recommended devices are phones and tablets.
Is there any registration needed?
No. No registration or login is needed in the app.
Thank you for the thorough introduction of the Active Manual. And let's have some more customer comments.
No, vähän yli 20 vuotta metsäalalla ja Ponssen koneista nyt on varmaan semmoinen reilu 4 vuotta tai 5 vuotta kaikki.
Uusi Skorpioni, taustalla näkyvä kone, niin tullut käyttöön marraskuun lopulla, niin sitä ollaan sitten siinä harjoiteltuna tämä pari kuukautta ja tutustuttu ohjelman käyttöön.
No, siinä on kaikki tietojärjestelmät erilaisia entiseen verrattuna ja kaikki kahvat ja siihen on kaikki. Siinähän helpottaa hirveästi tämä Active Manual sitten uuteen koneen tutustuminen.
Oppii paremmin videomuodossa kuin lukemalla, niin kylläpähän se paljon helpompi sieltä on oppia.
Ja niitä kyllä tulee ihan vapaa-ajallekin sitten katsottua näitä. Osaa sitten, niin kuin, jos tulee remontti tai huoltohommia, niin sitten tietää jo mitä niin kuin tekee.
Perehtyy noihin asioihin vähän vielä etukäteen, niin sieltä on voinut ottaa ihan mieleen niin jo valmiiksi.
Ja työlomassakin pystyy kahtamaan siinä. No kyllähän se nopeuttaa remonttihommia hyvinkin paljon, että kun tietää ihan selvästi mitä niin kuin tekee sitten, kun on nähnyt sen videon. Kyllä se aikaa pelastaa hyvin paljon. Varsinkin ihan uudelle kuskille ja merkinvaihtajille ja sitten tietysti ihan kaikille. Kyllä sitä hyötyä on ihan kokeneemmallekin kuljettajalle. Helppo ja yksinkertainen.
Veit minun sanat. No kuva kertoo enemmän kuin 1000 sanaa. Eikö se niin mene?
Of course, now we are interested of the next steps of it.
This year we will add more languages and countries to the app and also instructions for the other machine models. And we will also have offline version for the times when internet is not available. Then customers can download the videos for their own device and watch them later even they doesn't have internet available.
In conclusion, Active Manual in a nutshell.
Well, Active Manual is an app that has video instructions. Here you can see available languages for it at the moment. And when we launched this, it has Scorpion machine models. There is no need to log into the app, and you can search your own instructions with your own machine serial number. If you don't know your machine serial number, you can also view general instructions from the app. At the moment, Active Manual needs an internet connection.
Just to summarize, added value for the forest machine operator. This app is always in your own device. Instructions are more approachable than traditional owner's manuals. And the app itself and the content grow all the time, and they are made based on the feedback. So, Active Manual is available now. Please go and download your own from the Google Play or Apple Store. And now, thank you very much, Veera and Pinja, our experts, for the introduction. And the audience, thank you very much for your interest. See you next time. Bye-bye.